As the evening goes on, we're starting to see some of that, as we mentioned, snow really turning to sleet.
Yeah, we've heard the reporters talk about it a lot. Despite the conditions, some people in Lancaster are still out and about. And Fox 43's James Corrigan is one of them. He is live in Lancaster, and he's got a check on the conditions in the city there. James, what are you seeing come down right now where you are?
Well, Amy, the snow is now sleet, but it is no less slick on some of these roads. We're along King Street here in downtown Lancaster, and something interesting just happened about a minute ago. Two large plows just rolled in here and really cleared out a lot of the snow here on King Street. We're at Penn Square. We've seen a couple of cars really struggle to get up Queen Street on the other side of this intersection. A lot of wheel spin, having to reverse even and get some momentum to come back up onto this intersection. Of course, it's the main intersection here in Lancaster. Cars have been pretty light here today, not many of them on the road, and with good reasons. Talking about transportation restrictions, the city of Lancaster called a parking ban for today. While some heeded it, many did not. Some poor, unfortunate souls, about 140 of them having their cars towed this morning. Certainly not what you want to wake up to along with the massive snowstorm. But several Lancaster residents today woke up and found the need to shovel. A few lone wolf shovelers made their way onto the streets of Lancaster along Prince Street earlier today, shoveling for their neighbors, shoveling the curbs, shoveling the sidewalk, all just to lend a helping hand and make things a little bit easier for the folks here in Lancaster.
They just wanted us to kind of help out and keep everything clean and safe, you know. That's really about help everybody out we can, do the best we can, you know.
And while King Street looks a little bit better right now after those big plows came all the way through, a lot of the roads around here not in as good of shape. Still a lot of snow on the ground, still some slippery conditions. So certainly the advice is to stay at home if necessary, and if it is less necessary rather, and if it is necessary to go out today in the city of Lancaster, please drive cautiously and drive safely. Evan and Amy?
James, there's a party happening there? It seems there was a party happening somewhere behind you. Music.
Oh, there's been parties happening at times throughout the area. I'm not sure what was happening behind me, but we've seen some ATVs. We've seen some cars with loud music. That may have been what you've heard, but we've seen plenty of ATVs throughout the city. They have not really heeded any warnings or cautions about speed. They've been taking their vehicles out on some joy rides. We've seen some walkers here walking along the street, especially with a lot of the sidewalks here still full of snow. A lot of street walkers here. A bit of an eerie sight at times to see this city empty without people bopping around. Obviously, the very vibrant part of the city, but people are still having their fun as only they can.
James, are most of the businesses there near you closed down then for today?
Not all of them. If we want to take a look at Plow here, right along King Street, I believe that sign says open. It certainly says open.
Wow.
Along the side that I'm looking at. So there are businesses still open, as you can see. A couple folks walked in here right before the hit. So while it may be a difficult day, certainly, and there are businesses closed. I believe that is Annie Bailey's up ahead. That is closed. The popular bar here in Lancaster, but certainly a few of them have braved the cold, braved the snow, and braved the sleet, which has been pelting my face for the last 10 minutes or so.
All right, and we'll check back with you. Fox 43's James Corrigan live in Lancaster. James, thank you.